In this video, let's talk about what kind of the Tesla wheel spacers are best.
When it comes to the best Tesla Model Y wheel spacers, always choose the general brand set. In fact, reputable manufacturers make nice wheel spacers. A general brand usually becomes a general brand because it has delivered a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated and the factories only use process that have been proven to be safe. With such Tesla Model Y wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your driving with peace of mind. Using Tesla Model Y wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand severe impact. In this case, forged wheel spacers are the priority. High-end Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are made from the forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. These Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are continuously preset under tons of pressure. This process eliminates any porosity and shrinkage. The resulting wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure, allowing them to withstand more forces without breaking. As a rule of thumb, both on Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are safer and more reliable. They are both to the vehicle hub and the wheels are mounted on the spacers. Two sets of wheel lugs keep the hub spacer wheel connection stronger and stable. Therefore, in addition to the wheel spacers themselves, the strength of the stud and lug nut is extremely important. To ensure a stable wheel connection, BONOSS both on Tesla Model Y wheel spacers come with ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. These studs are considered to be the highest quality studs in car industry. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with SGS and TV certificate. In general, aluminum alloys have good corrosion resistance and are rust-proof. They are resistant to rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterparts. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the wheel spacers, BONOSS aluminum Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hard anodizing. A purple hard anodizing ensures complete protection against corrosion. The oxide layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a premium appearance, it also tends to be the lightest. This means that anodized Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.